Yeah. Every day when I woke up, I'm chasing my path. I thank God for everything, for this blessing He gave me. I'm loyal and I'm blessed. All my life I've been grinding, chasing for the different path. Life is not easy to live without. Si chaque jour nous lève prier bon Dieu, pour nous dire merci pour tout ça li fait pour nous. Li ba ou santé, courage ak moyen, pour vivre combat de la vie. Belle caille, belle machine ak l'argent yo, toutes ces vanités ou pralè sans rien. Moi pas j'en baille rien, potence et bon Dieu m'a prié. Don't make no mistake, stop eating those beef steaks. In life all you need someone who cares and love you the way you are. I don't please people for nothing. Take me as I am or watch me as I go. My spirit and my shadow are my favorite gift God gave me. To all my haters and enemies, you can stop me without my prayers. I try to do the right thing